Have you had a tired eyes? How often you have it? Once a week, once a day, or even more? With more uses of electronics, tired eye has become one of the most popular eye ailment. In today's video, I want to show you a nature hydrosol you can use as an eye spray, which help relieve your tired eye. This beautiful blue flower is called a cornflower because it was grown as a weed in the cornfield. This makes its name. Cornflower belongs to a daisy family. It has a similar smell with a chamomile. It's a special blue color as it makes people think it's good for the blue eye. Besides eye wash, this medicinal herb has been used to treat the digestion system problem such as diarrhea and constipation. The modern research found out the chemicals within the cornflower including flavonoid, anthocyanin, and aromatic acid. These chemicals brings anti-inflammation behavior. The phenolic acid is good antioxidants. All these pharmaceutical benefits makes it good for relief the tired eye. According to a study published by a Poland group, they use a cornflower distillate to make an eye cream, and during their double-blind test, the users think the cornflower eye cream is even better than a big brand eye cream. Within this video, I will show you how to make a cornflower hydrosol from a dry flower. There was a question from an audience why I like a hydrosol. I will answer this question at the end of the video. And please, if you have a question, leave at the comment. Those questions help me think more and make more organized, and I appreciate any question you ask. This is a whole cornflower. So first just put in the column. You can soak it before you put in the column, so make it compact. I just drop in the dry flour, press a little bit. You can do full column or partial filled column. Today I do the half column. So now I collect 1 cup of the hydrosol. Actually, I do see a layer of oil on top. I'm going to stop the distillation. As usual, I'll show you the color of the hydrosol. The cloudy means there's oil dispersed in the water. So you can use the cornflower hydrosol as an eye spray or even facial spray. After you spray, you press down, help the skin to absorb it. And also you can use a cloth and soak with the hydrosol as an eye mask. Okay, so I'll go back to answer the question why I like hydrosol. So there are 2 reasons. First, hydrosol is made during the distillation with making essential oil if there is. So hydrosol contains small amount of essential oil. That's why we see it's milky, the cloudy, because the oil dispersed in the water. And also it plus some water soluble essential compounds. For example, like linalool or linoleic acetate that's extracted from lavender. Because of its low concentration, people think low concentration is not good, but actually it is safe to use and it's good for the daily use. It's like a supplement. You take it with time every day and that will work with, during the process. And also it has a low toxicity or low irritation. The second reason is not all the medicinal herb has essential oil. For example, cornflower I couldn't find any cornflower real essential oil from the major vendors. The reason because one, either the medicinal herb has a low essential oil content, or the second is there's no good amount of growth of the crop to make the essential oil. So without essential oil, we gotta miss the benefits of this medicinal herb if we don't use a hydrosol. That's why I like hydrosol, because hydrosol we can make from any plants, any fruit, and even like apple. Watch my last video to show you how to make apple hydrosol, and even lettuce. You make a cucumber hydrosol, all kinds of hydrosol you like. Hopefully you learned something today, and like the video and share the video with a friend who has a tired eye problem and they want to try some nature plant material to help them relieve their problem. And also subscribe to the channel, and if you want to know more about medicinal herbs and how to extract. And see you next time.